All right, so today we're going to talk about the tourist pass. It's very important, you guys, especially if you're staying just for a short vacation or just a short escape. This will give you a lot of convenience. This is worth 3 days tourist pass, so that means we have 3 days unlimited MRT or bus access. We don't have to worry about tapping or loading it up every time we have to go to a certain location. We're just gonna tap it, and it's pretty much unlimited. It's about $38, which is, I would say it's worth it if you're just here for a short vacation, rather than getting the normal EasyLink card. This will help you a lot because you're not familiar with the place, and then sometimes you can go in the wrong way. It happens. It will really happen, unless you're perfect. Well, whatever, if you're perfect, then that's good, But this is very helpful. You have to get a tourist pass. There is an equivalent 1 day tourist pass, so you'll have limited ride, MRT and bus for 1 day. There is also an option for 2 days, but the booth is not selling 2 days. You have to get it to the office, to the office, which pretty much we arrived early in the morning. We have to wait for the metro. They open 5:30, so we can't wait for the office. Office opens 8 in the morning. No, time is important, so we decided to just buy this one. All right, so you're gonna tap it like that, and you go in. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, and we're there. Just to add up, I forgot to mention the tourist pass comes with this is not the one. This is not the one. No. That's mine. Okay. No, this one is a booklet. This one we got from Terminal 4. Anyway, you guys, so the tourist pass, it comes with the map. So pretty much the map covers the very popular destination in Singapore. So you will have Orchard Road, Little India, and Bugis. And yeah, Marina Bay, of course, and Chinatown. So very helpful, very efficient. It's there. Everything is there. Don't be afraid. Just be positive and be confident, even though you don't know the place. So yeah, well, pretty much that's just about it. Do not be afraid to go out, to explore, to commit mistakes, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hope you can like and subscribe.